Hi, it's Debbie from InDe'B Quilt Shop. I'm here today with the fun Poppie Cotton pattern. Sunny Kisses. Bobby gave you a sneak peek of this yesterday in her live. And I'm gonna make the quilt. It is so cute. It's like a roll by roll. So you only have to learn 8 different blocks, and then it makes up the whole roll. The top and the bottom, or is the same repeated, so you already got that ready for you. And then we have paired it with Poppie Cotton's cutest fat quarters, and our backing and our binding, not our backing, our background is the polka dots. And the pattern is on our website, and I'm just going to give you a quick demo and heads up, you need some template plastic, because the house, this is a template plastic. The house you need to cut out. It's all pieced. It's not applique or anything, but you do need to cut your house out with the templates. So a lot of people think these are like your rulers. They're not. They're so thin you will cut pieces off. So you use a marker where I'm marking on material. So I like to use our friction pins that go away when you iron them. And we have these on the website, and it takes a minute to figure out how to use them. So one thing to remember, if you have directional print, this one is directional, the little girls all go one way, so you need to make sure when you're cutting them out that you put your pieces on correctly. Like, so my roof, I didn't want my girls standing on their head, so I had to, do it that way. There is one piece that you cut out that goes under the door, or under the heart. The heart's the door. And that piece is, what size is that piece? 5.5 by 2, and I was gonna go this way. Well, it goes under the house, under the heart, so you need to go the long way. So that's just a heads up to make sure. If you don't have directional print, you don't even have to worry about it. But the templates, I'm just going to show you a little how I do it. So I take this, you can see through it, and you trace your templates. I keep getting a glare. So anyway, you trace your templates and then cut them out. You can take like a thicker marker and do your edge. So then you know if your edge is gone, that you've cut too close and you don't have a true edge. Like right here, look. Oops. I cut too close, but we'll do better next time. Okay, so then you have your house pieces that you need a template for, your roof. Then you've got pieces you just cut. There's different sizes. But then your background for your houses, you have all these cute little templates. So I'm going to scoot it down and just show you how I do it. Can you see? Okay.
Good at that. I can still see.
Okay. So I just take it, and I need 6 for each house. And I'm just going to outline it. Make sure I'm off my selvage. So I just draw a line. And it doesn't matter. You could do it with pencil, or you don't want to do anything that's going to bleed. You do have a seam allowance, so you're okay there. But you don't want it to bleed into your fabric. Okay. And then So it makes a line. Okay. Then you're just going to take your ruler here and just cut on that line. Don't cut on your plastic like that, unless that's what I did on this one, and that's why I cut my edge off. I thought I was being smart, but I wasn't. So then you can just cut on your line like this. And then it saves your plastic, and you can use it for your next. Just cut. You could stack it up and cut more if you want. Since you need 6, you could stack it up. That's extra. Oh. Oops. There. Okay, just like that. And then you still have your template good as new. You can use it again. We're going to get some template sheets in our store. Pattern is online on our InDe'B quilt shop. We're getting a kit. I'll just keep you posted as tips and tricks on this fun. So cute. So cute. So it goes through, and sometimes I like to sit down and cut all my pieces, but you're kind of going to do it roll by roll, because that's what it was made for, was a roll by roll. So this is your first roll, is the house, and then it'll teach you how to do the house, and you can either do all your houses, or you can go and do your next one, which is the top and the bottom borders. This is totally up to you. I'll probably go through and do one of each just to see how I like it and what it is. Another thing, go through and pick fabrics for what you want. So like I went through and I picked what I wanted for my houses and set them aside. And then I went through and picked, because now I got to do the heart in the house. So I went through and I picked that. So these are what I'm going to do my heart out of that goes on the house. And there you go. That's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to put them all in little baggies. And pretty soon I'll have a whole quilt. Okay. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel. We're sending out tons of emails. We're going to bombard you on social media because we've been kind of inactive and we want to get going. We're excited. We got lots of fun things coming, so stay tuned. Okay, thanks.